Good morning, good people, wherever you're watching me from. Here in East Africa, it's good morning to us. I hope you're all doing well, wherever you're watching me from. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night. I go by the name Emma, and on my YouTube channel, I go by the name Emma Family Vlogs. Please check me out, subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and watch my videos till the end. I bring vlogs from Africa, to be specific, Kenya. Come enjoy some vlogs from the village, some my day-to-day lifestyle, and some adventure and everything in between. So I hope you're doing well. I hope you're validating your dreams wherever you are. Yeah, because we have to keep pushing harder and harder. So much to my returning subscribers for coming back to watch my videos, and to my new subscribers, thank you so much and welcome on board as we enjoy this journey of vlogs from Kenya, Africa. So today we are on a mission. Yeah, come with us and spend the day with us and see what we are doing for the day. I hope you'll enjoy the vlog as we go along. So as we are headed out, I'm just closing the doors and getting ready for the day. Yeah, so everything is ready. I'm gonna carry my bag. Yeah, some jeanswear outfit of the day, and first stop is my mom's place. Then we head out to wherever we are going. So Kyla, here is your bag. Come carry as we go. Are you comfortable in those shoes? So I'm gonna. These are my kind of shoes. Day. Oh my god, these shoes, if you know, you know. They're very comfortable. Sometimes I keep losing them, but I keep buying new ones because of the comfort that comes with them. Very light, very flexible. Yeah, I get them from the butter shop. Very comfortable. Yeah. So this is our front view, as always, looking so good. So many trees right there. Yeah, the view just perfect. Today the weather is good, not so sunny. We hope we're gonna enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah, I was just checking if I carried my phone. I have it. I don't know if I have the car keys with me. Let me just check. Yeah, I do have them. Okay, let's go, Baba. Let's go.
Kala, Mom, Kala petamba.
So guys, we are headed out. As I told you earlier, come spend the day with us. We are going on a mission somewhere. Yeah, so
Kala, Mom, Kala badidi. Mom, Kala badidi.
okay. I want to move the chair a little bit. So
Mom,
wait. Yeah, right now it's okay. Kayla. So guys, this place where we live, normally it's inclined. Yeah, so
Mom, Kala badidi.
okay. So right now we are going down. It's not like very hilly, but it's a bit inclined. So I'm going to leave my car right here because the road ahead, just there near my mom's gate, is under construction. So we'll just walk that way. So passing with the car, this place became impossible. So I have to walk, but it's just like a minute away. So the road is under construction. Some places kinda blocked. Yeah, but we are here. We are here. We left the car that way. Yeah, not too far. That way.
Yani kama ninge ate ninde ngole njira gete ngona banyolete chigasi abanyolete chigasi ndi distant cousins amendo naki naende gari ya
So guys, we are headed now out. Yeah.
ukiona hata oil ikikuwa kidogo kwa engine itaonyesha.
And then I'm boom boom. And then I'm boom boom.
Sasa wacha ni grab hiyo lemon biscuits. Hey. Nanga.
Just walk away. So ile experience ikampatia nguvu ya kuanzisha hilo. Meaning living hope. Living hope. Yes. Also kwamba ni living hope. Living hope. An initiative committed to restoring dignity, creating opportunities, and kukumbuka culture. Kumbusha culture kwamba they are allowed to live beyond their circumstances. Wonderful. So she'll be in studio with us kama kuna swali kwake. 24047 ama 0719 739 anza kuuliza wakoma ni besti na jibiwa. Tukirudi tutasema sasa ni mwanamke.
Women working so hard by the roadside selling bananas. Yeah. This is a small shopping center where people sell some things. And over here, wait, Steve, ungeacha hata ninunue sugar cane hapo. Anyway, let's go. Let's go. Hata hawachongi. That's the bad thing, sindio? Let's go. But we can just buy when we come back. Huh? Oh. Kayla, where are you hiding? Let me see your face. Oh, Kayla is right there. And Steve right there by the steering. Oh, Steve, so you know that thing that smile you on camera? Yeah. Nafanya video. So guy, I'm here. The shop is called Kisii Sopstone Art Center. Yeah. So we just wanted to visit here today and see how these guys work on these pieces. As much as we come from this area, we've never visited here. So to us, it's like a very nice adventure for today. So this is Soapstone. They are trying to carve some things. So this is their working space, and then they have a workshop over there. So we'll take you guys to the workshop right there. After they have finished making their artifacts, they take them to the workshop there where they display them, I think, for selling. But right there, right down here, this guy is trying to make you said you're making a giraffe. A giraffe?
Yeah, giraffe.
Oh, so that's how you start.
Yeah, this is the wingers.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought like a giraffe is a big, like it's very tall. So is it like a short one, a small one? Okay. Yeah. Oh, so nice. Yeah. So where do you mine these stones? Munazimine wapi?
Yes.
Eh.
Sipo hapa Nyatike. Naitwa Nyatike. Kwingine kuna Nyabigena. Kuna Boba Sipado. Kuna Bomware. Hapo tu pati tatu.
So the guy is basically trying to explain to me where they mine the stones. Alafu mnazileta hapa?
Yes.
So when you mine them, are they hard or soft? Mukizitoa huko kwa mining, ziko ngumu ama ziko soft? They are very soft?
Yeah, very soft.
Even now?
Even now.
Oh, actually I can feel it. It's very soft. So it's not like the other stones that people, you know, the quarry stones that people, the one we use for construction. They are not as hard as those ones.
Not hard like that one.
Okay.
Now this is very soft stone. Very
Wow.
soft stone. For that, you think it's another stone. But for now,
For the soapstone, it's very soft. Oh, nice. Yeah. So, can you tell me the process? Ukimaliza, what's next until tupate the final product?
so kitu cha kwanza ni kuenda kutoa mawe kutoka huko mahali tunang'oa. Ukitoa huko na weka kwa gari na leta hapa kwa box. Sasa lazima uwe na picture ambao nataka kutoa.
Okay.
Ili utumie msumeno kupanga size ya ile kitu nataka. Ukimaliza kukata basi ndio unaenda kwa picha ama picha ingine iko kwa kichwa.
Maybe you want to make a giraffe, so you must have the picture in the head, what you want to make. Yeah. So as you go to mine the stone from wherever you mine, you must have the picture in your head. What do you want to make? Okay.
From there,
Come
then you cut a stone. From cutting, then you start to sketch.
Okay.
Okay, first you say to cut, then you start to sketch. This is sketching now. I'm not finishing. This is sketching.
So you are sketching right now. You are sketching. It is you're sketching a giraffe.
Yeah, this is giraffe. Even you sketch, even the vista. You can see this mfano. Na kujia kama giraffe.
Yeah.
So at the end, maliza ndio darasa.
So after your sketchy, you
using system, smoothing.
You do some smoothing, like that one over there.
Yeah.
I can see that one over there.
Like this.
Like this one also. This one also, yeah.
Ukitoka kuweka kisu, alafu na safisa. Sasa hiyo ndio mwanzo. Ama kikienda kwa rangi, hiyo kienda kwa rangi kwa mtu ambaye anachora ni mtu mwingine.
Oh.
Mimi kazi yangu ngine.
So your work is just to carve it and to smooth it, and to shape the edges.
From there, kuna wamama old mama huko.
So there are women there who wash it.
Then the women, they are painting.
Oh, they are also the ones painting, the women? Yeah. Oh, wow. I go in there? Okay. Okay. Wow, very nice. Yeah. Thank you so much. So right here, I can see they are displaying some pieces of their artwork. Yeah, very beautiful. This place is very near to my area. Okay, not too far. It's like some, Steve, the way we've come, it's like how many kilometers? Like 15 to 20 kilometers. Yeah, but I've never come to this place, so I'm also enjoying looking around. They have very nice pieces that they sell over here. Yeah. Very nice artifacts. Yeah. Yeah. So we are in their workshop. Walking all around and seeing what they actually sell or what is on display. And we can also see what to get finally from the shop. Yeah. Some nice carvings over there. Some flower vessels right here. Very nice. Some jewelry. Yeah. Very nice. Some jewelry boxes. These ones are like candle holders, or yeah, some of them like these ones. Yeah, very nice. Sasa tumetembea huku tuone.
Sopstone na hardstone.
Acha nikuwekee mic. Jumi niko kwa.
Okay, in Soapstone, we have 5 different colors.
Okay.
So we have, this is a white stone. This is a pink stone. We have a yellow stone. We can move. We have a yellow stone. We have gray. and we have black.
Okay.
Those are the primary colors of soapstone.
You have a yellow, black,
Pink, white, and gray.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So those are the colors. And we have different quarries where we get the stones from. So tuko na 2 kilometers away where we get the grey stone.
Grey stone?
Yes. With the pink stone is far away, 12 kilometers around their Sameta Hills.
Oh.
You know there?
Yeah, I know.
That's where we get the pink and the white stone.
Okay.
We can find even the yellow stone there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So you guys use different colors to do your carvings.
So when we do the carvings, they carve. The person who carves knows this type of stone, I can make this thing.
Okay.
Yes, is the one who decides the type, the color, and the size of the stone.
Okay.
Yeah, what fits there, that's what he carves.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So mostly we take our carvers to the quarry. They get their stones from there. Yeah, so the carver knows this stone, I can carve this.
Okay.
Yeah, so we take them to the quarry, they pick the stones they want. Then they bring them here so that they can start the process of the carving.
The carving.
Yeah.
That's very resourceful, yeah.
As beautiful as this.
So Kisii is the only one.
Kisii is the best.
Kisii is the Sopstone
Is Kenya.
Tabaka in Kisii County. So other countries like India, Brazil, Canada, US, Finland, Norway, South Africa, Zimbabwe.
Yeah, I was looking for Zimbabwe. Yeah, it has.
Okay.
We have Zimbabwe, we have Canada, India, Switzerland. Aiko. But Kenya is the best. Ni Kenya. Jo wanakujanga hapa. Our most wenye tuna targeting ni tourist international markets. So they come.
So you after everything you package your how do we call them?
The soapstone.
The artifacts or
Yeah.
whatever items. Then you sell them abroad.
Yeah, we sell them. We use DHL. DHL.
DHL, or
Yeah.
send them to DHL to maybe companies.
But even the tourists, when they come, they can shop, they leave it here, they give us their address, they get their stuffs on the doorstep.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we do that. We do the delivery.
Yeah, because they are normally.
It is heavy for them to carry home. Yeah.
Provided they give you the correct address.
Yeah, the correct address, they pay for delivery. Yeah, then they get their stuffs.
So this is the back side.
Yeah, this is another same display, but we have a premium display upstairs.
A premium?
Display.
Okay.
We have a room.
Okay.
Penye tunauza two sculptures.
Okay. Yeah, maybe you take me there also. I see. Oh wow, very nice. So those quarries mostly people's farm.
Yeah, there are people's farm.
So when you go there to mine the
soapstone,
the quarry, you have to pay.
you have to pay.
Okay. Is it like so much money or not so much money?
It depends the type of quarry you are going.
Okay. So
Yeah.
is there like a quarry?
But I can't say the price because I've never been there personally.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
But
every time they go mining, they must pay.
They must pay for them
You
to
must
get.
be lucky, right?
Yeah,
Because
sure.
you have the
Yeah, you don't feed, you don't pay the pedals of what, you just have natural stones
natural
there.
stones,
You
yeah.
go and
so
take
people
it.
just come, they mine and they pay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Low.
the other live plants, I think the water will spoil the flower beds and it will eventually break. So you can only put the artificial flower over there. Hapana, mimi hata na concentrate kwa hizo. So guys, here they do the washing of the soapstone.
Imeoshwa na kitu ichaoshwa.
Okay.
So this is soft. The texture
Once
is
it
very
has been washed, it's soft.
Yeah, we use different sandpapers.
Okay.
This is not sanded. It is very rough. So this is sanded, and she has used different sandpapers. We have P100, we have P120, we have P240, P600, we have 1200, 2500. So those are the pieces that we use in the sanding. They are called sandpapers. That's why the process is called sanding.
They are down there.
They are here. We have this. This is the rough.
So the rough
one
is the best? Or?
is the best for the start.
Okay.
Then you will go to
As you go to the
240.
finishing,
Yeah,
okay.
that's the process until you are done.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this one, it's very smooth.
It's
now.
very smooth.
Once
compared
it's not
to
compared
this.
to this one. This
Yeah.
one is a bit rough.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
So here also they do the sanding.
Yeah, only
Sanding
the
and
sanding.
washing.
Yeah, we dip it inside
water?
the water because of the how do we call vumbi Yeah.
Because of the dust. Yeah.
dust. Sure, it can affect the mammals
Okay.
who do the sanding.
For sure.
Yeah, that's why we dip it inside the water.
So here sanding and washing, same thing.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Sanding is the washing.
Is the washing?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's the same thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Ako very happy. Ako very happy. So after the sanding, after the sanding, this is where we place our things. Then we decide whether to paint them or to leave them natural. There's some, take it easy.
Yeah, because
There are some that are beautiful naturally.
Naturally, okay.
Yeah,
Without the paint.
without the paint, so we don't paint.
Okay.
So here we call our decorators to decide.
Okay.
Yeah. That's majorly what we do.
Decorators are right here. Or?
Yeah, we have our artist there.
Okay.
Yeah, the best artist that we have. By the way, you are lucky today. We have someone working on the order outside there, but this one does the shop. Anafanya deko ya duka peke yake.
So these are orders?
These are the exports.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what we are working on them because we are almost targeting the time.
Okay.
Yeah. We have a limited time. Yeah. We are not done.
Already cut.
Not completely. We have the master pack where it carries 8 of these.
8 pieces.
8 cartons is the smaller ones. They go inside there, 8 of them.
Okay.
Yeah. But inside here we have 6 pieces. Those ones. 6 pieces are inside here.
Okay.
So after here we have the master pack where we place 8 of them inside.
So each order should contain like 8 boxes.
8 smaller boxes. Yes.
Okay. Are they like the same thing?
Yeah, these are
different.
no, these are giraffes.
Giraffes?
I can show you the
You mean
the sample,
giraffe, right?
the smaller giraffe. I think 2-inch, 4-inch.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we have the stretching cuts. We have 4 of them that will be packed inside the smaller box.
What are these?
Stretching cuts. Yes.
Oh, wow.
We have the green ones, we have the sky blue, we have the orange, we have yellow.
So these orders are going like outside the country.
Yeah, they are going outside the country. Okay. They are going to the US.
The US. Yeah. Oh, that's person lucky.
Yeah.
Wow.
So some pieces that you saw downstairs, huyo ndiye anafanya kazi.
I've been told you're the best artist in town. Yeah, I'm glad and happy to see what you're doing.
Yeah, so his name is Dennis. He's the best artist that we have that does the stuffs of the shop.
Okay, okay.
I think you saw these pieces downstairs.
I saw them down.
Yeah, he's the one who does this.
So what are you using? A marker pen, kind of?
Yeah,
Okay. That's a sunset.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sunset. Really nice. Hey, iko soft vizuri.
Yeah. Dyes anatumia, they're tested.
Do they fade or they don't fade?
These are the indoors. But you know, if you expose it to the sun, it will fade. Yeah. So we use different dyes for that. The dyes are tested. They don't have lid because some people can take and use it to eat dry foods.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so the dyes are tested and they are free. You can use them, but you can't use the painted things to eat wet food.
Okay.
Only snacks, dry snacks.
Okay.
Yeah.
For sure. Very nice. Asante.
So for now we have the own lady who does the decorations for the order.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sasa?
There. So Nana, we work on this in mushroom. So Nana.
Yeah, I saw this one. She was working on it.
Yeah. So these are mushrooms.
Okay. Steve, nikubaie. Mushroom. Yeah. They don't break, by the way. Like, let's say
Easily, yeah.
Do they?
But ikianguka chini, it will break.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to take good care.
Yeah, you have to take good care of it. Yeah.
But they are nice pieces.
Thank you.
Yeah. We are privileged to find you to take us.
Welcome.
Bring to us. Yeah.
So we have another room here.
Okay. Let's get it. Wow, this is the one you call the premium?
Yeah. Sasa unaona, but usichukue kitu iko chini hapa.
That I shouldn't touch everything.
Usichukue ile iko chini hapa.
What's there?
Huko tumeweka tapes juu store iko juu, so tulikuwa tumeziweka hapa ndio wapika haraka for the packing.
Okay.
So this is our premium room.
Your premium room.
Yeah, some things are here, they have a meaning behind why they were carved.
Okay.
So for example, this, we call it a cycle of life.
Yes. Okay.
We call it a cycle of life.
Cycle of life.
Cycle of life, yes. Life is not a straight line.
Okay.
It has ups and downs.
downs.
So at first you can be here, sometimes you can be at the top.
Exactly.
So it comes to this. When you see this, you see how life is complicated.
Wow. Yeah,
you don't
very
have to
nice.
give up.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Wow.
We have this. This is a loop knot. It's a knot between two people, organizations coming together.
Okay.
You can't see. Yeah, even lovers, but we have a certain piece for the lovers. We have this. This is a love note.
Okay.
It's a note between two people. Mostly it is given to couples.
Okay.
Yeah, when during their wedding. Yeah, you can gift your friend
or
this.
you can gift your friend this.
This is a love note. Yeah. Then we have this. This is a family.
Oh wow.
This is a family togetherness. Yeah.
Oh wow.
So we have We have this, we call it a burning flame. It's a flame that gives you motivation and strength. When you have to achieve something, when you see this thing in the morning, there's that inner spirit that tells you, go for something, you will do it. Yeah, so when you see it in the morning, you see motivation and strength, and you have to accomplish what you have started. Yes, it comes to this piece. It's the same as this. This is for personal, this is for a group. But the name is a burning flame and the meaning is the same. Yeah.
I love the family one. I also love the one for
Couples.
Togetherness.
Yeah, togetherness for the family.
Different kinds of togetherness. You see, this one is for organization.
Yeah, all people coming together, all communities coming together.
Also
this is life.
Having a very,
So we come to this. Sorry, it comes to this. This is a hero, a hero sculpture. For you to be a hero, you have to undergo challenges. There are some things you have to leave them for you to go to. You have to sacrifice. So we have this down here is the challenges and the sacrifices that you make for you to become a hero. Yeah, so it comes to this. It is a hero sculpture. It was given to Mary Mora from these communities. Yeah, from this Kisii community. We are not known for kukimbia. It is majorly the Kipsigis, the Kalenjin tribe. Yeah. But now Mary Mora being the winner of the Budapest 800 meters, he was given to. He was given this. He was our heroine.
Wow. So these premium pieces, do you sell them to specific people or just anyone?
No, we don't sell to anyone.
Sorry, you don't sell them?
To anyone. Because the prices are a bit high because of the sentimental meaning behind them. So kama utafika utachukua. Yeah, mostly we give, you are able, you can afford to buy. Not
so
everyone.
Like the ups and downs, for example.
For this one, it goes for 15,000. The smaller this one.
Oh my God, guys, that's like 15,000 is like
$150.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. But mostly we can give it to $100. Yeah. 10,000. Locally.
Or anyone.
Anyone, if you bargain. It depends your bargaining power.
The premium pieces are a bit costly, a bit on the higher side.
What?
The
premium pieces. Yes,
because
sure.
Of the meaning that
the sentimental meaning behind them. Yeah.
And those ones are for the church, right?
Yeah, they're for the church, the Catholics. Yeah.
Oh wow, so nice. So nice. Like this one here for
Mary.
Yeah.
That's 20,000.
Oh, don't say.
Yeah, it was not easy.
It's like $200, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
sure.
Growing up, I attended Catholic schools, but I just thought, I don't know. By then, I didn't know even where these carvings come from.
But you were seeing the images in the church.
The images in the church.
Sure.
Actually, they have so many carvings.
They have. Even the cups. You saw the wine cup downstairs. We have it for the Catholics. Yeah, we have it.
Wow. Thank you so much for taking us around, educating us.
Welcome.
Yeah, you've been very resourceful.
Let's go.
Wow, I didn't know.
I will take you to my house. Umesoma fish ornament.
The fish symbol called sijui what that name is an ancient Christian symbol. It
represents Jesus Christ.
And is connected to the Bible, where Jesus called his followers to be fishers of people. We will make you fishers of men. General meaning, fish can symbolize life, abundance, prosperity, and good fortune.
So huko chini mama akiosha na akasmude yataliwa hiyo zaidi.
But sasa ina depend na kitu ameosha.
So maybe mtu anang'ang'ania pieces fulani hizi ni za
But huwa tunagawa. Kuosha kitu kama hii anaweza pewa 30 bob.
30 bob.
It depends na ni kitu gani. So unaona kama ile cycle of life ni ngumu kuosha. That is around 35 ama 40.
Asante.
Karibu. Wale wako pale chini. Sijui walikuwa wangapi. Na tukiwapea ni ile wale, I think sasa wamerudi hapa juu. Acha niangalie kwanza.
Tumejipanga. Siwache tutaenda tukipanga. Hapa nitakwambia acha nikitoka. Msikie dada anasema tutuende. Tumaliza hapa tuende celebration. Unaona? Wacha. Baba wacha. Wacha nikubalishe.
Okay.
Na niko na 2 pieces huko chini, tunaenda tuongelele.
Ni sawa.
Sasa huyu na rafiki yake
nitakutengenezea. Hiyo ni gift. Hiyo ni gift yake.
Sawa.
Give back my thing. So give back. Hiyo ni so. But nimempea gifts. Hata wewe nitakupea moja gift.
Alafu tutafutie nini?
Mkitafutia nini mzuri itakuwa very nice piece.
Pia mnakonga na order za Masai Market. Sio sana.
Kuna usijaiona. Sijui wanato but hata si ukiona hata Mombasa utapata ziko but tuko na shop nyingine. Sawa. Hiyo ni kelele itakuwa hapa.
Alafu mimi nimekuwa gifted hizi. So guys, I've been gifted these love hearts after finally taking a tour around this workshop. So been gifted this. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you for being so kind to us.
Welcome.
Yeah, we so much appreciate.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Visitors.
Yeah, we'll bring more visitors. So guys, love hearts for us right here. Yeah, and I bought 2 flower vases. I will show you later, guys. Yeah, we so much appreciate. Okay. Sijatoka bure, nimetoka na flower vases 2. Naona inavungu kugorere soda. Avungu kugorere soda. By the way, sometimes tunakanga kwa hii nchi na hatujui kenye inaendelea. Sasa kama ile ni nini anakaa? Aki. Oh. Guy. Tete kukubikira 200 unywe soda, ulianywa soda. Unywe soda. More bare. Taivo. Ganto making konyara. Ubaba gere soda. 07. Watu wanatengeneza zingine hazitokangi poa, si hapa. Noena uko sure? Uko sure? Selson. No. Kwetu. Sawa, tuende tukunywe soda kwa gari. Babu, unataka ukule kitu? Unasikia njaa? Tukule chakula? Sawa. Yeah. Cooperative society. Oh. So this is maybe like a self-help group or something. They do the carvings. Stone. Yeah. To see how the mine look like. Kumbe watu wako na ile avocado hapa. Iko nzuri. It's called hash avocado. Hash. Is it hash or hash avocado? Yeah. Oh. You gonna put them over month? Steve, hiyo kitu ya green inapita hivi. Okay. A block. Oh. Rika ndogo kwa hii ni pesa ngapi? Oh, ni hapa chini. Oh. Oh. Obe. Asante. Nando mukavara. Baba. So guys, that's where they do the mining, as you can see. You can zoom in. Yeah. That's where the soapstone is mined. Wow. Baba, lazima nikushike ndio usianguke, sawa? The quarries here, yeah. Why? You don't want him to take us?
No, to our sisters.
Why? Oh, okay. All right. Oh, wow. We are here at the quarry. Wow. Kuja tuende karibu. Ah? Habari zenu? Hebu kata kwanza Steve tusikie. Sasa na hiyo ya juu mtafanya aje like hii ya juu? Azitawaangukia? Azitawaangukia? Mnamaanisha aje ni ngumu? Like haijafika time ya kumine? Oh. Oh. Okay. Yaani nauliza mbona msianzie juu ndio hii sikuje kuangukia? Nyinyi mnaenda hivi kwa kavu ndani.
Tulianzia juu sehemu hii. Tukaenda tunaona hapo juu imeshikwa imeguza. Tukaenda tukatoka ile tukaingia tu kidogo lakini hatuendi sana. Tutarudi juu tena tukate hivi. Tuendelee na hiyo.
Oh. Lakini wakati inanyesha you don't mind, si ndio? Mind nikinyesha.
Tena kuna pillars. Kama hii. Pila na hii. Sasa atuguzi hiyo na hii.
Okay, okay.
Inashikilia uzito.
Oh. Okay. Mwenye shamba si ni mdosi? Aki. Gabe, ako na shamba yenye iko na Quarry, alafu yeye si mdosi. Yaani hii Quarry na itaisha lini? Itaisha miaka gani? Ako mdosi. So hii ni ile ya white, si ndio? Wanasema tena there is black. Oh, hapa tu? Oh, sehemu nyingine. Pink, okay. So ile ya juu hamjaguza hata hamjaanza. Huko ama hiyo si Quarry? Oh. Na mbona mnasema si mdosi? Gai, kitambo hii ishe yote. Tuatara. Tuko igubono tuateba na tuache tukuje tuone. Zenye mshapiga sandpaper. Kwani mbona hii Quarry sasa iko rangi gani? Iko white? Hii si white. Off white. Sio white ati kabisa.
Mawe iko yote hapo. White ukitaka white kabisa iko. Yeah.
Lakini hii ni kama mawe.
Every stone is there. Kama hii hapa.
Hiyo ni kama white. Na kumbe hii mawe ni soft, sio hiyo ni ya glass. Mbona mjapaka rangi? Hiyo ndio nakuuliza. Hata hii hata ijaoshwa aki. Unajua ikioshwa inakuwa smooth vizuri. Sasa mimi sitaenda kujua kupiga sandpaper. Noro cherende. Asa hiyo mogo waka sandpaper.
Na kio huo promote. Yaani asa cherende ndio kwa maana.
Ni kiti iko nyuma. Ndio maana nilifeel. Unajua mguu zangu ni refu so.
Kama ni refu kama iko nyuma hivyo ndio vizuri. Nisongesha mbele.
We're headed to the waterfall. It's just around there, as you can see. Oh my God, wow. Jeez. Na mtu ana swim huku. Ngoja. Uncle. Ndio mlikuwa mnaita sijui on timbu. Wow guys, this is the waterfall. It's right over here. Yeah. Wow. And also guys, it's almost about to rain. So we need to record this fast. And we need to head out. Oh my gosh, this is so big. Look at this. The water looks a bit dirty actually. So like there's a waterfall here, but this tree is blocking it. So we need to head a bit closer to it. Guys, here is a closer view of the waterfall. Guys.
We are back home now. It's evening. It's around, let me see the time. Let me check the time. It's around It's around 2 minutes to 6 p.m. Yeah. So we are here. As I told you guys earlier, I got some flower vessels. That's what I want to unbox so that you can see. Yeah, they're just for some, you can put artificial flowers, because the lady who was doing sales there advised that these ones are for what we got right here. We were told you shouldn't put natural plants, you just put the artificial, because you can't put water or soil in here, since the flower vase will absorb water, then it will break. So it's only for artificial flowers. So this is what we got. And the twin also right here, they have very nice pieces. Yeah, and we said, why not, let's promote them so that they can also beautify the house a bit. So right here we have the other twin. Yeah, just same as the other one. Yeah, very beautiful, with zebras, with the giraffes on the outside, some sunset at the back, and a tree. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Watch till the end, like, comment, subscribe, and share to your families and friends. Come along with me another day as we do some vlogs, cooking vlogs, my day-to-day life, some adventure, and everything in between. Yeah, so we are now, it's now evening, and we are getting back into our evening routine. Yeah, and my vlog ends right here. Thank you so much once more, and have a beautiful day wherever you are. See you on the next one. Bye. Leta karatasi. Sini hizi siku chache ni